Ever been on a long drive and watched your iPhone Air battery drop faster than your speedometer? Not anymore. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring the top 6 car chargers for iPhone Air 2025 that keep your phone powered on the go. Check the links in the description to grab yours now. The number 6 product on our list is JOYROOM Car Charger. The JOYROOM Car Charger redefines what road power should feel like. Fast, flawless, and built for real drivers. Imagine cruising down the highway while your iPhone Air hits 85% in just 30 minutes. That's not hype. That's 90 watt of true charging performance spread across 4 intelligent ports. It's a lifesaver for road trips, especially when everyone in the car is fighting for battery life. The dual PD 45-watt ports handle high-speed iPhone and tablet charging with ease, while the USB-A ports keep secondary devices powered just as efficiently. What I love most is how compact yet powerful it feels. No bulky design, no heat buildup, just pure stability and smart safety protection. Compared to the usual 30W chargers that slow down under pressure, JOYROOM maintains its punch consistently. It's crafted for people who drive long hours, manage multiple devices, and value efficiency without compromise. For anyone who wants peace of mind and power in one sleek setup, this is the smart, road-ready choice. At number 5 is SONRU Car Charger. The SONRU Car Charger is the definition of small but mighty, built for drivers who demand power, speed, and reliability in every trip. At first glance, its sleek aluminum alloy body feels premium, but it's the performance that truly impresses. Delivering 66 watt of fast output through PD and QC ports, it can charge 3 devices simultaneously without breaking a sweat. Imagine boosting your iPhone Air from 0 to 50% before you even finish your coffee stop. That's the kind of real-world speed this charger brings. The intelligent safety system automatically regulates heat and current, protecting your devices from overcharging or short circuits, offering peace of mind every mile. Compared to bulkier car chargers that overheat or wobble loose, SONRU stays cool, steady, and efficient. The soft LED glow adds a touch of style and usability even on dark roads. For anyone who values durability, fast charging, and flawless design in one package, this compact charger feels like a travel essential you'll never leave behind. At number 4 is Rocoren Car Charger. The Rocoren Car Charger is what every modern driver dreams of: power, precision, and peace of mind in one compact design. Imagine hitting the road with multiple passengers, each battling for a charging port. Rocoren ends that chaos with 4 high-speed ports, 2 USB-C and 2 USB-A, delivering a combined 70 watt of charging strength. Whether you're powering your iPhone Air, GPS, or dashcam, it handles it all effortlessly without slowing down. Its advanced PD3 and QC4 Plus technology pushes your phone from 0 to over 60% in just half an hour, which feels like a real upgrade over the sluggish chargers most people still use. Built with flame-retardant materials and intelligent chip protection, it keeps your devices safe through every twist and turn. The LED glow gives it a premium touch at night, and the compact body blends seamlessly into any car interior. Rocoren feels thoughtfully engineered, fast, reliable, and ready for long hauls, giving every drive that extra edge of convenience and calm. The third one on our list is AINOPE Car Charger. The AINOPE Car Charger proves that power doesn't have to come in a bulky design. Its ultra-compact, flush-fit build blends into your dashboard so cleanly that you'll forget it's even there, until you realize how fast it charges. Delivering a total output of 24 watt, it powers 2 devices simultaneously with precision and stability, something drivers truly appreciate during long commutes or road trips. The dual ports ensure both your iPhone Air and tablet stay ready for action without fighting for charging time. What stands out most is its all-metal body. It feels premium, resists scratches, and stays cool even under heavy use. That's a major step up compared to the plastic chargers that overheat or wobble loose over bumps. Add in advanced protection against overheating, short circuits, and overcharging, and you get a setup that inspires confidence every time you plug in. If you value durability, elegant design, and consistent performance, this charger quietly delivers, where others simply promise. On number 2 is FLYLEAD Car Charger. The FLYLEAD Car Charger is the kind of upgrade every driver secretly needs, but doesn't realize until that first road trip power struggle begins. With 75 watt of total output and 4 charging ports, it transforms your car into a fast charging station built for modern life. Whether it's your iPhone Air, iPad, or your passenger's Android, every device charges rapidly and evenly. No slowdowns, no waiting turns. What stands out is its smart power distribution. The PD3 and QC3 combination boosts your phone from nearly dead to ready in minutes, delivering pure peace of mind on the go. Its rugged PC plus ABS build feels solid and cool to the touch, even on long drives, and that soft LED glow adds a premium touch while keeping night drives distraction-free. Compared to basic 2-port chargers, this one feels smarter, safer, and purpose-built for tech-savvy drivers. For families, commuters, or creators constantly on the move, it's a clear, reliable choice that simply works efficiently, confidently, and every single time. Now moving to the last one is LISEN Car Charger. The LISEN Car Charger redefines what a compact powerhouse should feel like inside your car. Imagine charging both your iPhone Air and iPad Pro at full 45-watt speed simultaneously. No waiting, no compromise. That's the kind of performance this dual USB-C charger brings to real-world driving. It's engineered for people who hate slow charging and love efficiency. The solid metal build feels premium, not flimsy like those cheap plastic chargers, and the heat management is surprisingly good, even on long drives. I also love how its flush-fit design keeps your dashboard clean and sleek, blending effortlessly with modern car interiors. Compared to other chargers in its class, LISEN delivers a smarter balance of raw power and minimalism. The connection feels snug and secure, giving you confidence your device won't disconnect on bumpy roads. For professionals, travelers, or anyone who depends on fast charging on the go, this is a smart investment. Reliable, refined, and tested for real driving comfort. So guys, this was the video about the top 6 car chargers for iPhone Air 2025. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.